how we can run ChatGPT models locally. Have you ever tried this? So in this video, let's try to understand how we can run ChatGPT models locally. Most of the AI applications which we are trying to access, the models which are linked with these applications are deployed in the cloud. Now in this video, let's try to understand how those models can be deployed locally and run. So for any model to deploy locally, we need an interface, right? We need an interface or application which helps us to deploy and run these models locally. So Ollama is one such application which helps us to download the model and run it locally. Let's see the steps of downloading the Ollama and downloading the AI models locally and running the models locally. So navigate to ollama.com, and here you can find in the download section you can find the Ollama application which with respect to your OS version. So download. So as of now I'm using Windows, so I'm downloading the Windows one. After downloading, there are few steps to install the application. After installing the application, it will by default add the exes to the path, so you can able to access the Ollama from PowerShell using this command Ollama. Once you are able to access Ollama, you can see the list of models which you already downloaded with this command called Ollama list, right? And once as you know already, like I had downloaded two models, one is Llama and ChatGPT model. So now we need to download a model, right? For that, what we need a command to download, right? So Ollama has a command, Ollama pull and model name. As of now I'm using ChatGPT open sourced model, which is nothing but GPT OSS 20 billion. So when I click enter, it will pull the model from the cloud and installs it locally. So since I already installed, I am not running this command. So in this video, I'm using ChatGPT open source model, which is 20 billion parameter one. As we know, OpenAI open source two models, GPT OSS 120 billion and GPT OS 20 billion. GPT OS 120 billion is almost equivalent to OpenAI O4 mini, which is a priced version, and GPT OSS 20 billion is almost equivalent to OpenAI O3 mini, which is a priced version, and its accuracy is almost similar to this priced version model. So as of now I'm using GPT OS 20 billion because it requires less hardware when compared to 120 billion one. So here already I pulled this model, so I want to run this model now. So Ollama run GPT OSS 20 billion. This is the model name. When you click enter, it will run the model. So this is how it will run. So this is how it will run. It will show a interface where we can write our query. Like I told like what is Ollama in 100 words. Then it started thinking, just like it happens in cloud, like in ChatGPT. It tries to build the things, and then it gave me the answer. Like Ollama is an open source library that simplifies running LLMs locally on consumer hardware. It ships with a pre-built runtime and blah blah blah. Everything which is related to Ollama is we got it. So the summarization which was happened completely locally. So this is how we will run models locally using Ollama, and we have to use open source models.